In the last video, future Wesley punched past Jared. Now he's laying passed out on the ground with no sign of the time-traveling calculator in sight. Only a time-traveling remote control. Is he dead? What will happen? Wait and see!
I can't believe you did that. Well, I had to do something. He scared me. Ah, look at the old Jared! OMG! Oh no! Oh my gosh! He vanished!
I'm Jared from like 5 days in the past.
OMG!
Okay, I've come to tell you that you need to destroy that calculator or all the Jareds will die off.
And that would be a bad thing?
Yeah.
P.S. I don't even have a calculator.
But you will, and we need to destroy it.
Well, I don't have a calculator, but I got this time-traveling remote control. That's ratchet.
Now you've got to zap me back into the past before that calculator was even buried.
1985. Go.
Thank you. This must be what the 80s look like. This looks like my house, but we're in 1985. Weird.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Well, I'm Dottie Johnson.
Grandpa?
When actual people see me, they usually just pass out because my body odor.
What happened? Where am I?
Why am I wearing an Elmo t-shirt? Who are you?
Well, I'm Brandon Johnson, and that little Elmo on your shirt, he's on Sesame Street. He's just the cutest thing. I was just about to go outside and bury your calculator before I saw you pass out the door and figured you need to come up here and take a little nap. So here you are, taking a nap.
Wait, what kind of calculator?
Well, I was going to go bury this here calculator. I think it has special abilities or something, and that's why I'm burying it.
I need it, give it to me.
Over my dead patootie.
You forced me to do this.
Puh!
I just punched my mom in the face, but who cares? I've got the calculator and everything's gonna be okay. Now if I could just get out of here without screwing anything else up. Oh, I'm not wearing pants!
Shouldn't he have been back like 10 minutes ago? Well, I hope he's okay. Me too. I hope he makes it back to the future.